Looking for a place to stay near Disneyland? We stayed at the Hyatt House, which is approximately 0.7 miles from Disneyland and within walking distance. It's one of the good neighbor hotels of Disneyland Resort. Let me give you a tour of the hotel. Here's the lobby where you'll find the bar, guest market, and the way to the breakfast area. Here's the corridor leading to our room, which is a kitchen suite with 2 queen beds and a sofa bed. It comes with a fully equipped kitchen, compact refrigerator with freezer, stove, microwave, dishwasher, coffee maker, and utensils. The room also has an ironing board, extra blanket and pillow, hangers, and a safe. The bathroom is well appointed with a hairdryer, towels, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. As you book, you'll enjoy complimentary buffet-style breakfast where you can choose whatever you like. There's also a guest laundry for washing clothes if you didn't bring extras during your stay. The hotel offers a fitness center and a swimming pool, though we didn't have time to try them. There's ample parking for guests, including electric vehicle charging in the parking lot. Here's the view from our room window. Additionally, there's a pharmacy, pizza store, and coffee shop nearby the hotel.